Good day, friends! Welcome to Denson's channel. And today in this video, we are going to show you the first and the oldest shopping mall in Qatar. The Center. It opened in the 1980s. It is located in Salwa Road, near the Radisson Blu Hotel. You can find supermarket, pharmacy, fast food, luxury watches, perfumes, cosmetics, clothings, shoes, and many more. That's it for today. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please hit that notification bell so you will get informed on our next video. We hope to see you again in our next video. Thank you very much, and bye for now.